Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make animated GIF using Microsoft PowerPoint. So, there is a GIF present in our screen, which you can see as a Fortron Academy. So, the symbol of Fortron Academy is going and changing its color, and this what is introduced as a GIF in my presentation. Now this I will teach you how you make that. Before going any further, let's go and discuss about points to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I will tell you how to make animated GIF in PowerPoint. Secondly, we will tell you how to make animation in GIF and how to give animation in GIF. After that, we will tell you how to adjust the timing in GIF. All this is very crucial function when you make a GIF in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's move forward and talk about how can we do all these functions in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are in Microsoft PowerPoint, so we have to make a GIF. So take an example. I will make a GIF of Fortron Academy from scratch. So I'm not copying anything from here. I will make it from the scratch. So we will go into the file section, click on blank presentation. In a blank presentation, you will see there's a blank presentation. So I will introduce a new slide with just a blank. So in here, there is something I do not want. I just want a blank slide. So this is a blank slide you will get. After that, click on insert option. In an insert, just give a shape. I need a rectangle rounded surface course. So this I need. Again, you want to align this in the middle and in the center. So now it is in between my page. So now I will give it a black background and black background. After that, I will give the shape outline. So outline I will give on the white color, and that will be weighted little bit. So now you see, you won't be able to see the white color, but again I will shape the outline. So this is very crucial that you will give that those color only in which you can align your GIF to. So in spite of the white, if I give it orange, you will be able to see it. So this is how you will assign your outline for your GIF. Now, after introducing the rectangle, we want to introduce something in between, so that can we make in an animated GIF. So I will double click in the center and will write with a caps lock on Fortron, Fortron Academy. So now I will increase the size of it, and with this, just increase the size of it. Now you can see this is Fortron Academy. Now I have written the Fortron Academy. We can make it in a bold so that it will be much more highlighted. So now everything is ready. Now I want this as a GIF. How can I do that? For that you just have to copy this. Like I will make a copy by right click on it. After that just click on copy and click on Control and V. You will see the thing that Fortron Academy is present on the second as well. So how much letter is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 letters. So I want to give the GIF and I want to highlight each and every word in my Fortron Academy. So how can I do that? For that I have to introduce 14 slides of the same GIF for the same box. So I will make paste it 14 times. You can see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, and we will make one more, that is 15. Now you will see we have did it 15 times. So we will start with this. After that we will go to the slide 2. In a slide 2 I want this in red color. Maybe we will go there and look at it how red is looking. So red is looking something like this. If I click on yellow, it is looking like this. So you can go for anything. I will go with the yellow. After that, go into the third, just select both of them and click on yellow. In the fourth, you will go 4. In the fifth, you will go. So you just have to, again, when you are doing something like this, you just have to go one step forward. That means one letter at a time. After that, fifth, you have covered till T. After that, go into R, click here. And in the 7, you have to cover till O, again 8 till N, and after that you have to cover A. Now A to C. Now with this we will go again forward and forward, and with this again we will cover till D. D till up. Now we will cover it with E. So after this we will move till M and make it yellow, and on the move 15 we will make it Y, the complete. Now we want one more, so the background also comes into play, like when I've shown you in my starting GIF, in which the Fortran Academy is highlighted. In that, in the end there is a complete removal of the background. So in this also, if you want to do, you can do that. I will make the copy and paste of this slide one more time. And in spite of that, I want my background to be much broader now. So again, I will click on this and go into the format section, shape outline. In spite of the orange, I can go for something else, or I can just weight it into 6 points, or you can make it in a dash. You could do this. In spite of that, you can do this. So this is much better. So this is how you will create a GIF now. Now if I go in my presentation view, how it will work, let me show you. Let me click on function F5. So now you can see. So this is how our GIF will work. Now I want this in a video format, because like if you are using Microsoft 365, which is upgraded and the latest and greatest version, also there is something that is not still available, because there it is available only for the Microsoft insiders. So those who work with the beta versions, then they only get the animated version, which is available in export section. In here there is create a animated GIF, but it is not available for all of them who have the account, but they are not in Microsoft Insider. So we will go again into the export section. So I will tell you, without that also you can make a GIF. So go into the create a video, go for the full HD, or you can go for ultra HD also. I will go for the full HD. After that, seconds spent on each slide. So I want half second, that is much harder. So 0.25. So now I want 0.25 seconds to be done on each slide. Again, I want in my desktop, that is Fortran Academy. So now this is MP4 format. I will save it. So you can see it is now converting into MP4 format. So will take a few seconds to be converted into MP4 format. Now if we go into main screen, we can see the video format, which is MP4 format. So this is MP4 format. If I click on play, you will see this is something which is looking like this in our MP4 format. So I do not want this. As soon as it will be converted into MP4 format, you will go into Internet Explorer and look for convert MP4 to GIF. So this you can go in here, you will see easygif.com. So this is one of the best converter you can use. Just click on video to animated GIF converter. So when you click here, you will see something like this. So I need video to GIF. So you have to choose the file. The file is on my desktop only. Click on Fortron Academy and just click on open. When you click on open, you have to upload that video. By clicking on the upload video, you will see it will be uploaded. Now you can see it's something like this. Now you can see this is the thing that we are creating a GIF for. So now what we want to do. So we have the file size which is 558 KB, width is this and this, everything is there. Now original is this. I want to convert into GIF. It is of 8 seconds. Now if you want to make any changes, like if you want to crop the videos, resize, rotate, reverse, mute, cut the video, you want to increase the speed as well, you can do all that thing from here only, from easygif.com. Now we want do not have to do anything. Now we can directly convert into GIF. So I will click on convert to GIF. Now you will see the GIF is converted, but you need to save it or you need to optimize it. Optimize the GIF to reduce the file size. So I do not want to do that. Still, if you want, you can do that. I will save this file as it is. Just click in here and you will see easy GIF is downloaded. And now we will go into our presentation and go into the insert section. In an insert section, you will go into pictures. In the pictures, you will see easygif.com. This is the latest which we have downloaded. Now click on here. After that, click on insert. Now you will see something is inserted on your screen, and this is your GIF. So if I paste it, let it be here, and now we will go into a slideshow view. Click on from beginning. When you click on from beginning, you will see something like this. So you can see now the GIF is currently playing as the Fortron Academy is doing it a bit by bit, that everything is covered from FOETRONACADEMY. So everything is covered bit by bit, and now my company symbol is in GIF format, and this is how you will create a GIF format in a PowerPoint. So I want to tell you one more thing, like if you are into the Microsoft 365 and if you are using the personal or the professional uh, uh, Office subscription for 365, you can directly go into the Officer Inside. In here you will see an option Office Inside. If you upload. Now I will tell you one more thing. If you are using Microsoft 360, now I want to tell you one more thing. If you are using Microsoft 365, which is the latest and greatest version of Microsoft Office, you can go to into file section. In a file, you will go into account section. In an account, you will see Microsoft 365. Then only you will be able to see in here that there is one more feature, that is Office Inside. And if you want few features that is not even available for the person for like Pro Plus, is available for Officer Inside, because that is now currently in beta version and still not rolled out by Microsoft Office. So if you want to do that and if you want to test those beta features, always go for the Office Inside feature and upload certain things on that. After that, you will be able to use that beta version. So that function, if available, will be here in a few days. In an export section, you will again see a new feature that will be available through the beta version, which is currently now in beta version, will be uploaded soon in a Pro Microsoft 365. Here you will see create an animated GIF. Then you can directly create an animated GIF without converting into the video and going into the easygif.com and all that thing. Directly you can convert in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you have understood everything how to make an animated GIF. So again we will show you how it works. So again we will go into a slideshow view. Now you can see this is how you create a GIF. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your all queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.